How's it going, everyone? I'm back again. I'm in Lakeland, Florida now. This morning, we're gonna visit this Publix cake water tower. Ooh, I gotta go down. Oh, okay. We're in a Class D airspace, and I had to go through Lance and get authorization here. I can only fly up to 200 feet. Pretty simple. Pretty simple to get the request process. I was over here yesterday and recorded a video, but I didn't like it too much. So in the beginning or somewhere, I'll put some actual history on this tower on the stream. But it's 246, 146 feet tall. I'm gonna go up a little more. Stop here. Let's do a manual orbit. I think it holds close to 250,000 gallons of water. And it was completed in 1982, if I remember. I started following a few guys on TikTok, and there's one in particular, Mike Robb. I saw him over here, and that's how I got the idea to come over here and record this tower. It's a cloudy day today. Yesterday was perfect because how the sun was setting or rising. and And this area I'm in, seem like everything belongs to Publix. For those of you who don't know, Publix is like a grocery store. And 188 feet, so let's just fly over this thing. I'm gonna go in cine mode. I'm gonna fly over it and then fly in the area. Point down as we go. I think these candles, if I can remember, are 11 feet tall. They may be higher. Or there's 11 of them. But yeah, let's see the drone. All right. Now let's go back to normal mode. And we'll fly in the area just a little. Okay. Let's spin around here. This facility here, and I think this is a distribution center, but there's so many buildings out here that has Publix on it. So here's one here. Let's zoom out. And we'll fly over there later, but see, it's cloudy up here. The sun should be out. It is out, we just can't see it. And big operation. We'll fly back here. When I first came over here, maybe like 2 weeks ago, it was a weekday and maybe around 10:30, 11, but it was so busy. And let me slow down. I'll go ahead and send him over just to give you an idea how big this operation is. Let's go down. Okay, 197. And there's a golf course back here. Thought I saw a crane over here yesterday. But I'm going to go back in normal mode. It's like a love-hate relationship. Swapping between these modes. We'll fly over to this golf course, see if anyone's over here. I don't play golf, but it looks pretty good. All right, let's turn over here. And okay, we'll stop and come back. I'm turning kind of quick because I'm losing a little signal. There we go. I'm gonna zoom in just a little. See what kind of action we can get. I should track this. I think the crane was set up around here. They must have moved it. For the people living in Florida, you familiar with these green trucks? At least in my area, we're kind of in a drought since last year. So it rained yesterday for maybe like 30, 40 minutes and a little last night, but we're in need of some rain. Let's see if he's going to pull into a stall here. Follow him for a second. I got here a little too early because there was no traffic this early in the morning, but I was just riding around maybe like 2 miles, 3 miles from here, and they had another big Publix operation up there. Come on, guy, you gonna park or what? Uh-oh, we got action. Maybe not. What is he doing? Oh, he's gonna back up and park the trailer on the opposite side. Let's just zoom in, guys. Okay. If you guys are in the area and wanted to record this tower, Sunday mornings are by far the best. Still a little busy over here, but nothing like during the weekday or we'll fly over here once we get a chance. See nothing coming. I'm in normal mode. I can take this now. Go. We can't fly over cars unless you got a waiver. And just do an orbit. Let's see here. Okay, about the same. So I'm going to come back over here one more time. And see if I can get a break to get over the road. I'll go in sport mode.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Should be able to go now. There we go. All right, let's go back to normal mode. And okay, guys. A birthday cake. I thought on the when I was looking up the history, they said the candles light up, but maybe they're not in operation. Let's see if I can do your orbit here. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.